Welcome to Scratch Academy. Today, I will show you the easiest way to learn X and Y coordinates in Scratch. First step, choosing the backdrop. Next up, choose the button sprite. Set the button in the corner. Right input the number, change the size and font. Now let's set up our button. When green flag clicked, followed by go to X minus 191, Y minus 154. When this sprite clicked means as soon as the user clicks this button, we broadcast enter mode. This sends a signal out to every other sprite in the project, telling them, hey, it's time to switch things up. Right after that, we hide. So the button disappears once it's been clicked, since we don't need it anymore. When I receive drag mode, this is the button listening for a different broadcast. So somewhere else in our project, when drag mode gets triggered, this button will show itself again, hopping back onto the stage. Next step, click the cat sprite. When green flag clicked, kicks things off. Then go to X0, Y0, places our sprite dead center on the stage. Nice and predictable starting point. Set size to 50% shrinks the sprite down to half its original size, so it fits nicely into our scene. And finally, we broadcast drag mode. This sends a signal out to the rest of the project. When I receive drag mode, set drag mode, draggable. Then we drop into a forever loop, and inside it, we've got a say block doing something pretty clever. It's using nested join blocks to build a live coordinate readout. Something like X number, Y number. It grabs the sprite's current X position and Y position, rounds them to whole numbers, and joins them together with labels so it displays nicely as text above the sprite. So as the user drags this sprite around the stage, it'll constantly update and speech bubble out its exact coordinates in real time. Super handy for anything involving positioning, placement games, or interactive drag and drop mechanics. When I receive enter mode, listens for that broadcast. Once triggered, we run stop other scripts in Sprite. This is important. Remember that forever loop constantly updating the coordinates? This block shuts that down, so it doesn't keep running in the background once we're done dragging. Drug the ask block. And inside it, we're building a dynamic message using nested join blocks. It stitches together I am at, then Y, with the sprite's current rounded Y position, then X, with the current rounded X position, and finally adds the question, how much should I change X by? So the sprite literally tells the user its current coordinates before asking for input. Nice touch for clarity. Once the user types an answer and hits enter, and wait pauses the script until we get that response. Then, change X by answer takes whatever number the user typed in and shifts the sprite's X position by that amount. The second half mirrors this exact same process, but for the Y-axis. It asks, how much should I change Y by? And then runs change Y by answer to apply that shift vertically. So together, this gives users a simple text-based way to nudge the sprite's position. First left or right, then up or down, with the sprite always telling them exactly where it currently is before asking for the next move. Next broadcast, the drag mode block. I'm sorry, I forgot. There's a code that's reversed. We must change the position X with the position of Y. And the second block too. And this is the result. Input the number. Set X 100. Then we 90. If you change the number of X, minus 50. The position of X will be 50. If after you clicked the green flag, the position off cat will be automatically moved to center. If you want the exact starting project file, it's linked below. What should we do next? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.